Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Alrighty now, so we have Miss Becky and Sarah Sue on the left, her name, and she'll be doing a dance competition today. And to the right, we have Tata Qualicious Alizé. Yes. Now, all I'm gonna need for you to do is just freestyle for me, please, one time. Drop a beat. Becky and Suzanne, Tata, Qualicious, Alizé, drop it like a side, drop it like a side, drop it like a side, drop it like a side. Stop, cool up, drop, and cool up. Snap that booty, pop that booty. Okay. Raise the roof. Get jiggy. Raise the roof. Doing no school dance, doing no school dance, doing no school dance, doing old school butterfly. Butterfly. Stop. Now cool up. Cool up, drop. Now cool up. Cool up. Wind it back, girl. Drop your hands to the floor, wind it back. Okay, now this is your freestyle time, and you'll be dancing to Doodle Brown. Becky, Tata Qualicious. To the pump. Drop. Ow. Work your legs. Hey, and more. Hey, let me hear you say. And it's a wrap. On the left we have Becky, on the right we have Tata Qualicious Alizé, and we're out. Peace.